Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select portable hotspot right here, and if you would like to activate it, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see now, the portable hotspot is active and you can share network with other devices. So you can share it even by using your password and the name of the device, or let me go back to hotspot, or you can share QR code, so if some device will scan the code, then it will be able to connect with internet without any troubles, like within a couple of seconds. And then you can switch off portable hotspot the same way smoothly by tapping on this icon. If you would like to personalize your network name and also the password, just click on Setup Portable Hotspot, and here you can change the network name and also the password, smoothly the current one, and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and then click on confirmation mark to save the changes. So that would be all. So you can activate and deactivate portable hotspot, also how you can personalize network name and the password, and then by sliding the upper bar you can activate it quickly, smoothly locate portable hotspot icon, and it's right here. If you will click on it, it has been activated, so you can share network with other devices. Here you will see how many devices is connected with your phone via your phone, and then you can switch off portable hotspot by tapping on the same switcher. So this is it. That will be all. So you can use portable hotspot in your Xiaomi Redmi 8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.